most often we judge ourselves when we're trying to meditate. Our mind's still going. We're thinking about our next meeting or what we have to do or the email we didn't send. We can't seem to quiet our mind. I love that you also incorporate meditation into the end of your day to kind of help you ease into sleep. That's a great practice.
Anyone who hasn't tried meditation, you should definitely try it. I actually was taught by Serena how to do it. I use a device that shines light in my eyes that helps. But I found that just as little as 11 minutes a night allows me to sleep much better and actually get away with less sleep. And it's been really quite amazing, the effects on my ability to sleep and then get through the day and have much less stress during the day. But I've just found that now I really miss it if I don't do it because my stress level keeps going up and up and up, and this resets it. And I want to thank you, Serena, for doing this. It's been a change in my life. I should have done it years ago.
Well, thanks to you, you got me into meditation, which I thought was a kind of a woo-woo word that I avoided. Thanks to you, I started that, and it really helps, calms me down at night before I go to sleep. I spend a lot of time just trying to relax my body and basically your mind. I think the most important thing is to shut down your mind, and that's what meditation has taught me. And you can practice it during the day, even only for a minute or two, to try to lose everything, clear your head out, and think of thoughts that kind of please you. And so that's something that I have to thank you.
And you'd be happy to know that there's actually a lot of studies that show the benefits of meditation. There's a study at UCLA that's found that long-term meditators, they actually had better preserved brains than non-meditators. So, there's studies that show that it helps to preserve that aging brain. I mean, there are studies at Johns Hopkins, at Harvard, as you know, at Yale, that all show how it can reduce the brain activity. It helps with depression. There's so many different things.
Somebody's asking how to get started on meditation. What's your recommendation?
So there's different types of meditation. There's concentration meditation. There's heart-centered meditation. There's mindfulness. There's Tai Chi Qigong. There's transcendental meditation. There's so many different ones. And for people who have a hard time creating time to do it, I would say just do a little bit of breath work. I mean, that's what we did, right, Dave? That we just started with a little bit of breath work, 4 counts. It's something that I can share and post here. I've shared it before. I just call it the 4-4-4, and you're just breathing in 4 counts, and you're holding that for 4 counts, and then you release for 4 counts, and then you pause for 4 counts, and you do it again.